Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 16.4, that is the latest version on Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS version. Open Firefox or any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter, then click on download, then select the Linux, then click on Ubuntu. See here, PostgreSQL APT repository supports on the versions of 24.04 LTS, 23, 22 and 20 LTS versions, and supported architectures are AMD, ARM, remaining. These are the commands to be executed to install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu. Now open terminal, run these commands one by one. The first one is we have to install the curl and CS certificates. Run this one, copy and paste here, then provide the password of sudo user. Type Y for confirmation. Curl is installed. Now install this pgdg, copy, right click, copy, paste here, hit enter, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now import the repository, signing key, paste it, hit enter, it's done. Now create the repository configuration file. Copy this command up to end, copy it, paste it, hit enter, it is done. Now go to the start. Now we have to update the packages by running the command this sudo apt update, sudo apt update, hit enter. It is success. Now we have to install the PostgreSQL. If you want to install 15, here we have to replace the 16 with 15. If you want to install 14, you have to replace the 6 with 4. Let me show you. If you want to install a test version, you have to run this command. Let me copy this command. Copy, Ctrl L, paste it. See, if you don't give any version, it will install the latest version. Suppose if you want to install 14, give the -14. If you want to install 15, give the -15. If you don't give anything, it will install the latest version, that is PostgreSQL 16.4. that is the latest version at the time of making this video. Hit enter. See, it is installing PostgreSQL 16.4. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 16.4 on Ubuntu 24.04. Let us verify. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to fit. Ctrl L to clear screen. Let us connect to PostgreSQL server and verify the version. Sudo su-postgres is the username. Hit enter, then type PSQL. PSQL is the command client tool. Hit enter. See, this is the version of PSQL client, but not the PostgreSQL server version. Let us verify the version of PostgreSQL server. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 16.4. Q to fit from this output. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now verify the list of the users. \du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having all privileges. Super user means which is having all privileges. So the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this Postgres user by running the command alter user. Username is Postgres with password, then password, then without password. Put semicolon at the end of the statement. Enter. See, we have successfully set the password. Now verify list of the databases by running the command \L. See, these are the 3 databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. Q to quit. Now create a database. Create database R2schools. R2schools is the database name. Put the semicolon at the end of the statement. Hit enter. Create database is success. Let us verify again. \L. See, new database R2schools is created. This is the owner name. Okay, Q to quit. Also we can get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database. Put semicolon. See, new database is there. Now let us switch to this new database and create some tables, but we are currently in this Postgres database. So let us switch or change by using \C or connect. Both are same. Okay, use the \C space database name. See, you are now connected to database name R2schools as user Postgres. Control L to clear screen. Let us verify list of the tables in this database. See, did not find any relations. Relations are tables. Relations are nothing but tables. So let us create a table. Control L to clear screen. Create table student, then sname int primary key, sname varchar 50. Put semicolon. Now verify list of the tables. See, we have one table. This is the schema name, this is the table name, and this is the type of the relation. It is table. Okay, and this is the owner name. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert into student values. Insert one more row. Put semicolon. We have inserted 2 rows. Let us insert same row with a different name and S number. This will throw error because S number defined as primary key. Primary key won't allow duplicates. If we try to insert it, it will throw violation error. See, duplicate key value violates any key constraint student primary key. So we have to give different values for the S number. So with the non-existing values for the S number. We have successfully inserted 3 rows. Let us verify the data from this table. Student. See, we have 3 rows. See, star means it will select all columns. But if you want to select particular columns, select sname from student. But if you want to only select sname, use sname from table name. Table name is student. See, we got the only that column values. Now we will see how to create a user in PostgreSQL. So \du is, see, we have only one user. Let us create another user. Create user James with password. Now verify again. See, we have 2 users. Verify PostgreSQL configuration files. Show config_file. See, this is the configuration file name and this is the location. If you want to see the HBA file name, show HBA_file. See, config file means it contains PostgreSQL server level information. HBA means it is host-based authentication. It contains the authentication rules information. See, this is the file. Now exit and try to connect PostgreSQL with the new user, that is this PSQL-U. U must be caps, then username, then -d, then provide any database name. This will throw error because I haven't added this user information in this pg_hba.conf file. Let me execute it, hit enter. See, authentication, peer authentication failed for the user James. Okay, that I have created a video how for this error. You can go through it and you can check it. So now we will see how to stop, start, restart PostgreSQL service on Ubuntu 24.04. So command is sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. This is the command used to stop PostgreSQL service on Ubuntu. Hit enter. Now verify the status of PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is dead or inactive 10 seconds ago. Go to quit. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL is active and started 5 seconds ago. Okay. Go to quit. Now restart the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify again. See, we have started or restarted 1 second ago. Go to quit. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 16.4 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. For more PostgreSQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.